Hello and welcome to this Sims 7 product update for the Spring 2025 release. As part of our ongoing development, we're gradually moving Census to Sims Next Gen, and this is the last summer census you'll do in Sims 7. If you're not already using Sims Next Gen, now is the time to get ready. There are 5 simple steps to get Sims Next Gen and be ready for Census, available in the link on screen now. In this video, we'll be looking at an enhancement to the reporting area to allow for easy reporting of staff username within the design reports. So let's begin. Previously, if you wanted to identify staff usernames, you'd have to go to Focus, System Manager and Manage Users. Within here, you could search for a particular person to identify their username, or simply search all members of staff. On the preceding results, the column for username identifying the user identity for each person in the database would appear. Whilst accessible, this isn't ideal if trying to run an audit of all users in the system and their associated permission groups. As of the spring release, however, if we were to navigate to Reports and down to Design Report, if we were to then create a new report and change the reporting focus to staff, click Next, we can retain this as all staff, and then when we populate data fields, we'll bring in some basic information such as forename and surname of the member of staff. If we then minimise the basic details and scroll down to the permissions area, we can now see the new data item for username. Bringing this onto the canvas, we can then bring over the associated active status, and we can pick up the groups section. In here, we can then indicate the group that they're associated with and the status of their membership. This will give us a quick and easy way of identifying all active users with the associated memberships. If we were to then go down to Filter, we can then add a filter into the report to minimise the data output. In this case, we'll go down to Permissions again and select Active Status and only report on those that are active. Selecting OK will then add that filter onto the report. If we now preview the report, we can see in the preview we have a list of the active members in System Manager with the associated username and the groups that they currently hold against them as well. This was added into the reports following feedback from our users looking to make audit reports more easy within Sims. If you have any further ideas or feedback, please do let us know via the ESS Ideas portal or via the Sims 7 Satisfaction survey. We hope this has been useful. Thank you for watching.